The snowstorm had trapped them in the remote cabin, leaving them isolated in the middle of nowhere. Alex, Sarah, Matthew, and Emily were a group of friends who had planned a weekend getaway to enjoy the snowy mountain scenery. Little did they know, their temporary sanctuary would soon turn into a nightmare. As the night grew darker, the wind roared outside, howling through the trees. The friends huddled around the fireplace, their laughter and conversation providing a temporary reprieve from the eerie silence that surrounded them. But soon, a strange scratching noise began to fill the air, resonating from above them. Their hearts racing, the group exchanged anxious glances. Alex, always the bold one, suggested investigating the source of the noise. As they climbed up the creaky stairs to the attic, the scratching intensified, sending shivers down their spines. When they reached the attic, they stood before a dusty old mirror covered in cryptic symbols. The mirror seemed to emanate an ominous energy, filling the room with an unearthly aura. Stepping closer, Emily wiped away the dust with her sleeve, revealing the intricate symbols etched into the mirror's surface. Curiosity got the better of them, and they couldn't resist staring at their own reflections in the mirror. But as they did, their faces began to twist and contort, their once familiar features transforming into grotesque, monstrous figures. Horrified, they frantically tried to look away, but it seemed the mirror held them in its grip. Suddenly, the mirror cracked, jolting the group out of their trance. It shattered into countless shards, and from them emerged a palpable malevolence. A chilling wind swept through the room, extinguishing the flickering candle flames and plunging them into darkness. Panicked, the friends stumbled and fumbled for an escape route, but the cabin seemed to have transformed into a labyrinth. The malevolent force, now free from the mirror's confines, whispered haunting secrets and promises of pain. Desperation fueled their determination, and Sarah, the quickest of them, led the way through the pitch-black cabin. But no matter how hard they tried, the force seemed always one step behind them, claws scraping against the wooden floorboards. As dawn broke and the first rays of sunlight peeked through the windows, the friends stumbled out of the cabin, gasping for breath. Their faces pale with terror, they looked back to see the cabin fade into thin air, leaving only a pile of burnt wood in its place. They knew they would always carry the terrifying memory of that night with them, a constant reminder of the malevolent force they had unleashed. The scars may heal, but the haunting presence would forever linger in their hearts, reminding them to never again underestimate the power of the unknown.